Amuda here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's do a quick design by Hales Transa. So let's go to Pixellab. When you go to get a Pixellab, you just want to import the original design. When you import the original design, you'll be able to know the exact size. Like this, you click here now, you see the size of there. Okay. So this design has different shapes. Alright, so these shapes are like this. So you put one here. Let's adjust it. Still adjust. Alright, so this not perfect. Almost. Alright. Okay, so let this be like that there. Click on rotate and rotate it till it fits like this. Then go to color, enable color, click on the plus button, click on the eyedropper icon, this guy here. Okay, select the color. That is it. The next is a rectangle straight from here to there, like this. Alright, also go enable color, click on the plus button, eyedropper, pick from the design. Alright, we still have another one that will send to the back, so copy this and put it here. Okay, then click, go to the color eyedropper, select the color and send to the back. So this is it. Are you getting me now? So we can come over here now to see the way it is in the original design. So we have the logo here, the screw logo. Let me use this. I'm going to crop it like this, crop it like this. Alright, and I'll put it right there. Right, so I have Narcissus International School. Narcissus International School. Alright, they will use a long font like a vertical. Alright, so like that, then we adjust it here and there. So you change the color to black or this. Alright, so we have a circle, we have 3 other circles around the circle. Alright, so click, go to, sorry, not there, go to we can actually use it if we want, but let's do this. Go to shapes, click, go to circle, select circle, adjust the circle like this. Alright, adjust the circle like this. Right, go to texture, add the image that you like to use. Alright, so this image is for, it's not nice, so let's look for something else. Let's look for something else. Okay, let's try this. We want to try this. We have to make it square like this. Okay. You see that now. Don't have an outline to read. Okay. So we still need to reduce it. Alright, then we're going to have 3 circles around it. So we just copy it like this, and we'll fix them there. But we still have to reduce the outline. Alright, so we'll copy, put the second one there, we'll copy, and put the third one there. Alright, for this, we can just select maybe this one. Okay, for this, we'll select this. Right, so we can leave that there. Alright, so let's go. So now that we've gotten this, we want to get the other instructions placed. So let me begin from the left, from the right. Alright, okay, so I'm going to do this now. I'll go to shapes and I'll click on this. Okay, we do this. I'll adjust it like this. Alright, I'm putting this one here. Alright, changing the color to this blue here. Okay. Let it be here. So let's remove this guy. Alright, so let's begin to pick from the original design. So we have we have learning benefits. Okay, so we'll click here, go to text, and select this three. Okay, so come back to Pixellab, we'll paste it there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we drag it like this. Come over here, look for a playful font. Let's see. No, I prefer this. Alright, we increase the space just small. Right here we'll write learning benefits. Okay, so here we have enroll now, admission open for 2023. Right, so come over here now, get a shape, the color is going to be yellow. Right, so I'll put it there, bring it to the front, let it be black or a dark color like this. I prefer black. Alright, so copy the same thing there, put it there, admission, open for 2022. Alright, select white. Alright, I still need to push this to the front. Alright, so right here, opened for 2023. Right, so if you check here, you see three rectangles: preschool, primary, and then junior. So we'll do it like this. We'll copy this guy. Right, so we'll put it from there to here like this. So copy, fix it there again, copy, fix it there again. Alright, check if everything is in order. Alright, so I still need to move this up here because I need more space. Alright, so to move everything at once, you copy, select them, and then you do this. Alright, so if you check very well, there is going to be a white shape here at the bottom. Send it in here, so let it be white. Can even stop it here. Alright, so for here you have preschool, primary, and junior high. So I'm going to use the same stuff here: preschool, alright, so I'll put it there, color black. Alright, check if the color is okay. So I'm going to use green for that. Primary. Right, then here you have junior high. Okay, so the first is going to be green. If you want to pick the exact green, pick it from the design. The second is going to be yellow, and the third is going to be kind of red. So alright, so this is going to be white, and this is going to be white too. Alright, so we can copy the informations that are here, the information that are here. Alright, so we'll copy text from image. Alright, so we'll come over here, we'll use this and paste it here. Alright, 30 minutes is gone. Alright, so everything's like this. Put it right there. The color change to black. Alright, increase line spacing. Spread it out from there like that. Alright, perfect. So check again. You will see that telephone number. Alright, so that's the last thing. So let's just go over here. Go to PNG link. Right, then just type telephone. Alright, so they will show you different telephone. Alright, so you choose the one that you want. Okay. Alright, so I was able to download this one. Alright, so you can go ahead and search the telephone of your choice. So once you download, then you are able to import it right here. It's still loading, so while it's loading, let's go and do some work. Okay, it has been loaded, so we bring it here. Okay, we'll bring it there. Right, then we'll bring a shape. Right, like this. Alright, then we'll do this. I'll change the color to yellow. Okay. Alright, now we can bring this guy to the front like this. Let's add an outline to it. Okay. Maybe this outline though. Okay, I think the white outline was better. Alright, so we just copy the phone numbers that are here. Alright, and then we'll paste it accordingly. So let's use this guy. Just paste, close up the gap, the space rather, and put it right there. Alright. Okay, so I think we're done with the design, not wasting any more time. Alright. So let's push this here. Let's push this here. Alright, notice that each of the design there has a kind of shadow. Right. So let's just add that. Alright, so when you're done, you can go ahead and click save, and your design is good to go. My name is Niyi Amuda, and I will see you on another tutorial. Don't forget to tell me where you're watching from. Tell me where you found this channel, and don't forget to subscribe.